The renter's protection is scheduled to run out June 30th. However, people falling behind on rent during the pandemic cannot be evicted until next year. Governor Brown is urging people who are behind on rent payments to apply for rental assistance.
Rent assistance programs can help you with that past due rent. There is currently no similar grace period for rent due after July 1st.
Governor Brown also said that she expects Clackamas County to reach 65% vaccination rate as soon as today. When the county does hit that number, it can be dropped to the lower risk category. It is now in the higher risk category. Meanwhile, the Oregon Health Authority and All for Oregon are giving out $100 gift cards to Fred Meyer and Safeway. You can pick one up at Hillsborough Stadium today if you receive your first dose of a COVID vaccine, or go to the drive-thru at Portland International Airport or the Oregon Convention Center starting tomorrow.